So welcome back to the video here. We are here at our farm equipment area here. Here we have the Dillenberger slurry spreader, that green one there. There we have a yellow truck. I'm going to pause the video here. Alright, somebody has just gone by here. And here we have a slurry spreader with a plow. So we're going to be doing some filming in here and see what kind of farm equipment they have. Here we see a trailer and another trailer here. And that is a Unia flatbed trailer. Brilliant. Nice trailer here. And here we have, like I said, that is a slurry spreader with a cultivator on the back there. It's a Cum Technic. Brilliant. And that pipe there, they use that to suck the slurry out of the slurry pit to be able to fill that tank there as well. That is the drive shaft to make it turn. Brilliant. And here we have the Dillenberger slurry spreader. We're going to walk over to the fence. That is the Fendt 313. Nice tractor. Brilliant. And it has a weight on the front as well. You see the lights up there. And that is the Corona round baler is what that is. The round baler from Corona. It's hooked up to the back the tractor here. Now you can see the hydraulics here. That's probably where they measure how much hydraulics fluid is in that cylinder there. Look at all those hydraulic pipes. Nice. Oh, that is hooked up there. I always wanted to go in here to film the farm equipment. And here is another container flatbed. And that is a Dillenberger container. You also have that in Farm Sim 17 and Farm Sim 15. Now you can store water in here. You can store slurry in here as well. Brilliant. That is the pipe to fill up the slurry here. Up there. And you can look in here. To see if your container is full. Dillenberger. Alright. So let's have a look what that thing is. Okay, that is a 3-axle Dillenberger trailer. Now those are probably tanks for the hydraulic fluid to make all these pipes work. So let's see what type of tires they have on here. Wow. Now that trailer that can dump that green box here that lifts up and tilts, so you can unload your whatever you have in there. Brilliant. And that is a round bill wrapper there. Now I don't know what that is. That is a hay bob or a hay turner. You can turn your hay and make your hay or grass into rows, or into windrows I should say. That is a class hay bob. Brilliant. And that is probably for picking up round bales. You hook that up to the front of your, or to the back of the tractor here, or something like that. I don't know what that is. Probably a tilling machine, not sure. So what else do we have here? And we have another weight, and you can hook up stuff to your weight here. They have a steel cable hooked up to it. It's just like in Farm Sim 19, where you can hook up stuff to your weight here. Brilliant. And here we have more trailers and trucks. And that is probably, no, that's a trailer. I thought that was a wood chipper. They also have a wood chipper here from Jens. The Jens wood chipper, they have that here too somewhere. But I don't know where they have that. So I'm gonna, okay, they have the telehandler over there. Don't know what that is, probably a cat. And I'm going to cut the video feed here, because there's somebody here that wants to drive out, and we will see you in the next one. Bye bye.